Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use built-in ruler in Samsung A36 or the A56. If you are using A36 or A56 and I want to use built-in ruler, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for display, tap on it. And here you must have to look for edge panel. Just enable that setting, then tap on it. And here just tap on panels. From here you must have to enable that for tools. Just tap on tools. If you can't get it, you just have to scroll it right, and here you will easily get tools. Just enable that, and after that just go to your home screen, and here you will get a side panel and icon, something like this. You must have to swipe it to get that panel, and after that you must have to swipe it one more time to get tools section. Here just tap on the three dots and then select ruler. So that's how you can easily get ruler in your phone. If you want to change the inch or centimeter, just tap on this section. So from here you can easily use your built-in ruler. So that's how you can easily use built-in ruler in Samsung A36 or the 56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.